The Automotive Technology program at San Benito High School is offered to students enrolled in the Career Technical Education programs and is certified by the National Automobile Technicians Education Foundation and Automotive Youth Educational Systems. This national certification program allows students to undergo training with the tools used in today's highly technical automotive industry. Through internships, job shadowing partnerships, and an integrated curriculum, the students gain valuable, marketable skills before leaving high school. Training is offered utilizing curriculum from the National Center for Construction Education and Research. Students are able to accomplish individualized levels of completion using the NCCR modules and are able to produce a transcript of craft skills attained with a transcript made available to potential employers across the nation. Students acquire knowledge and skills in safety, tool usage, building materials, building codes, and framing and windstorm requirements. Occupational safety and health administration 10-hour safety certification is also part of the training. This ensures a safety attitude while in the work environment and construction sites. Through an agreement with the Housing Authority of San Benito and San Benito CISD, the students have been able to construct a 1,224 square foot home. The welding program consists of 2 courses, Agriculture Mechanics and Metal Technologies, and Practicum in Agriculture, Food, and Natural Resources. The students participate in formal training utilizing industry-recognized curriculum, National Center for Construction Education and Research, and the American Welding Society. Students are exposed to the various types of welding. Courses include lecture and discussion prior to each new phase of instruction. Safety instruction is required and part of the NCCER core curriculum prior to participating in the welding lab. Courses include lecture and discussion prior to each new phase of instruction. Safety instruction is required as part of the NCCER core curriculum prior to participating in the welding lab. Supervised individual practice along with periodic practical tests is conducted. The trainee goes to an individual booth and practices the techniques. Students are able to participate as student members of the American Welding Society, or AWS, upon enrollment. In the Correctional Services program, students prepare for certification required for employment as a correctional officer. The students learn the role and responsibilities of a correctional officer, discuss relevant rules, regulations, and laws, discuss defensive tactics, restraint techniques, and first aid procedures as used in a correctional setting. The students analyze rehabilitation and alternatives to institutionalization. Tours are available to municipal and county jails. The class also helps prepare students for the civil service exam prior to applying for a correctional officer position. Students enrolled in Cosmetology 1 coordinate integration of academic, career, and technical knowledge and skills in the laboratory instructional sequence course designed to provide job-specific training for employment in cosmetology careers. Instruction includes sterilization and sanitation procedures, hair care, nail care, and skin care. The course meets the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation requirements for obtaining a license upon passing the state examination. Analysis of career opportunities, requirements, expectations, and development of workplace skills are included. Students enrolled in Cosmetology 2 must have successfully completed Cosmetology 1. Students review academic knowledge and skills related to cosmetology. This course is designed to provide advanced training for employment in cosmetology careers. Students apply, combine, and justify knowledge and skills to a variety of settings and problems. Instruction includes advanced training in sterilization and sanitation processes, hair care, nail care, and skin care. The course meets the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation requirements for obtaining a license upon passing the state examination. During the senior year, students have an opportunity to take the state examination to obtain their cosmetology operator license, with the license issued by the Texas Department of Licensing and Regulation. The practicum experience allows students an opportunity to practice on clients based on a donation. The Education and Training Program is designed to introduce learners to the various careers available within the Education and Training Career Cluster. 3 courses prepare students for the teaching profession: Principles of Education, Instructional Practices, and Practicum in Education. The courses are designed to help students with effective teaching and training practices. Students work under the direction and supervision of both a teacher and knowledge of early childhood education and exemplary educators or trainers in direct instructional roles with elementary, middle school, and high school age students. Students learn to plan and direct individualized instruction and group activities, prepare instructional materials, develop materials for educational environments, and assist with record keeping. Dual enrollment is available through Texas State Technical College. A total of 12 college credits may be attained. Emergency Medical Technician Program prepares students to provide basic life support measures as a member of an ambulance crew at the scene of an accident, during transport to a hospital, or at a medical facility. Training includes cardiopulmonary resuscitation through the American Heart Association. Coursework combines classroom lectures, practical skills, and actual patient clinical experiences. Knowledge and skills include proper communications with patients, family members, and associates, to demonstrate proficiency in medical terminology, and to use a scientific method to prepare clinical case studies. The Law Enforcement 2 course is designed for senior-level students who have participated in the established coherent sequence of law enforcement courses available at San Benito High School. Students are recommended based on teacher observation and character traits appropriate for law enforcement careers. This course includes the ethical and legal responsibilities, operation of police and emergency telecommunication equipment, and courtroom testimony. A 20-hour job shadowing experience on a rotation basis amongst district, municipal, and county offices is expected. The outcome of this training is the 911 dispatch. Students are then able to seek employment with district, municipal, county, or state law level enforcement agencies. In the Information Technology Career Cluster, San Benito High School offers 3 courses to prepare students for up to 6 certifications. The courses include Principles of Information Technology, Computer Maintenance, and Computer Technician. These courses are also available as an advanced technical credit for college credit in escrow with participating community colleges. Students gain knowledge and skills in the area of computer technologies, including advanced knowledge of electrical and electronic theory, computer principles and components related to the installation, diagnosis, and service and repair of computer-based technology systems. Certifications are provided under the C-Tech Broadband Academy. Students are also prepared for the A+ certification under CompTIA. Medical Office Assisting Program prepares students for entry-level positions in various healthcare settings such as doctor's offices, medical clinics, urgent care, hospitals, chiropractor office, billing offices, etc. Emphasis is placed on administrative skills necessary to perform the responsibilities of a medical office assistant. Technical skills taught in the classroom are necessary for a clinical setting in order to provide quality patient care. Throughout the duration of this course, students will be observing various professions within the medical field and will be able to rotate at different local medical offices such as Suclínica, Family Health Specialist Clinic, Valley Ear, Nose, and Throat Clinic, and La Hacienda Adult Care for a period of 7 weeks, Monday through Thursday. Testing is completed through the National Competency Center for Testing. Medical Assisting Program prepares students at an advanced level of skills necessary for utilization in a clinical setting. Anatomy, pathophysiology, medical terminology, pharmacology, phlebotomy, and medical math clinical internships and leadership are emphasized. Clinical rotations are mandatory for medical assisting, and completion of rotations is necessary in order to obtain a certificate of completion for this course. Professionalism is an important aspect of this program. Students will rotate at doctor's offices, nursing homes, and other selected clinical sites for a period of 7 weeks. Testing is completed through the National Competency Center for Testing.